Hello guys and welcome to Python programming tutorials by Amul's Academy. We were discussing about Matplotlib package, and previously in this video series we discussed about how we can make a simple plot. So to make a simple plot we used 5 functions of Pyplot module, that is plot, xlabel, ylabel, title and show function. We already discussed about plot, xlabel, ylabel and title function in the previous tutorials. Next we'll discuss about the show function. The show function in Pyplot module of Matplotlib library is used to display all the figures. The syntax is, we need to mention matplotlib.pyplot.show, and here we can take multiple arguments or multiple keyword argument. So we can take 0 or more number of arguments and keyword arguments. Usually we'll use this show function without any argument. So let's see an example for this. So here we can see this show function, right? We used plt.show. Plt is nothing but matplotlib.pyplot.show function. We are using this without any argument. Now if I execute this, here we can see it will display the figure. If we didn't use this function, and if I execute this now, it won't display any figure. So to display the figure we need this show function. So when we use this show function in the non-interactive mode, that is nothing but when we write our program in the file, it will display all the figures and block until the figures have been closed. So that is nothing but, here we can see I am using this show function to display the figure. After that, if I write any statement, for example, I want to print a message called hello. If I execute this and run this now, here we can see the plot, right? And in the shell we can see it is not printing any message. Until I'll close this figure, it won't print that message. When I close that figure, it will print that message. So that is nothing but it will block the execution of this statement until the figure have been closed. So if you want to change that, then you can take block. So block is a boolean value. You can set it to true or false. The default value is true. Okay, so that is nothing but it will block the execution of the code until we close the figure. If I take it as false, then it won't block. So I'll show you the output. Here we can see we didn't close the figure. Figure is open. Then also here we can see the output hello, right? So it won't block the execution of the code. So in the show function we can use one argument, that is block. So the default value of this block is true. That is nothing but it will block the execution of the code until the figure is closed. If you don't want that, then you can take block value as false. Okay, so this is about the show function. Show function allows us to show the figure. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.